guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, what I'm going to show you is how to edit aesthetic photos like this and like this. But I will be showing the tutorial for only one picture, so let's get right into it. And first we'll go and take the photo for editing. By the way, I just bought this really cool coffee mug with this black color above it. It's for the sake of love of coffee. However, I don't have coffee in it, I have water, so we're going to drink water. So to take a good photo, you are just going to wear a cap more like this and take this glasses. Go where you can have natural light, so you can look brighter in photos. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going here in the corner. Oh my god, there are bees right there. I hope they don't bite me. I'll just take a photo with this pillar or maybe this. Let's see how it comes out. What I'm going to do is just make my cap a little bit slightly down and wear these sunglasses and see how it. Okay, this looks weird. I'm just going to do this and then okay, so I took the photo. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, so let's edit this. Remember to install Picsart. First, what you are going to do is you go to Picsart. Do you remember the photos I took right now? We're going to see which one was more nice. Then we'll just see which photo is good for editing. I just edited the picture. So first what we are going to do is go inside the effect tab. Okay, and in effect you can see in my recent effects I have used film 3 and the radial blur, focal zoom, HDRs, color splash. What we are going to do is you can find it in the FX tab. Just go right there inside the FX tab. So you can see there is two film 3. Okay, film. So film 3 you will apply. So film 3 I applied and you can see it's already giving it a cinematic look. After that you will add some noise in it. Okay, this is what you do. After applying you will go to close this tab, and now you will go front and add mask. Okay, now on the mask you will go to dust and add dust one. Okay, so you will now what you're going to do is crop this picture because it's too large. So we'll go to crop and we'll do it for the Instagram portrait. Okay, after doing this, what you're going to do, okay, after that you're going to make few adjustments. Okay, so we are going to make some adjustments. Okay, so you are going to add contrast and clarity a little bit. Okay, so what you're going to do after that, so you open these stickers and you can see I already have these heart shaped stickers, or you can go in the search bar. So guys, unfortunately the battery of my phone died, so I had to record a voiceover for the other part of the video. Make sure you watch till the end and leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel for future amazing videos. Thanks guys. Let's continue to the other half part of the video. So guys, what you're going to do is now search for the aesthetic word in the sticker tab of Picsart, and then when you find a good aesthetic sticker, use it for your picture. I found this quote says, "I'll tell the stars about you," and it was really good quote. Make sure you use the effects on these stickers so they look more aesthetic. And remember to use hearts on the head. I used it to convey a message of sadness, and then I adjusted according to my head, and then used the effects on the hearts too. Remember to use that to make it look more aesthetic. I used the radial blur and focus blur on these hearts to make it look like vibrating hearts, and then use it on my picture. After using the effects, you are going to adjust the hearts and remove the extra part up of your head, and then you are going to search for frame of the picture. So what I wrote is newspaper, to use the left side and bottom side of the picture to cover the extra empty parts, and also to keep right awkward on my mouth because my lips were looking ugly. So so I just used the newspaper on the left side of the picture. Make sure you can use shadows too, but make sure you don't ruins the picture. So after that, you're going to save the picture, and look at that guys, the result is really awesome. Make sure you like the video and leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and ask me anything you want me to make on YouTube. This is the picture I made. Thank you guys. Goodbye.